Do you want to check your Apple Music Replay 2025, but you're not sure where Apple hit it this year? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find your replay stats and how to see your top songs, artists, and total minutes listened. Apple Music Replay is basically your yearly recap. It shows what you listened to the most in 2025 and builds a playlist based on your top tracks. So there are essentially two ways of seeing our Apple Music Replay. The first one is by going over to our web browser and then navigate to a website that's called replay.music.apple.com. And this website will then prompt you to sign in with your Apple ID account if you're not already signed in. And after you do that step, simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to see your music replay. I've shown you this first method because maybe you don't see the replay section inside of your Apple Music account, and this is a backup way of doing it. But the most straightforward way is to simply open your Apple Music app and then go over to the Home section. Here is the replay section. So I'm just going to click on it, and then it's going to show me my top songs, my top artists, genres, how many minutes of songs I've listened in total this year, and many more stats. So tell me in the comments down below how many songs or how many minutes have you listened to this year. And I will see you in the next video.